The USDA recently reported that the cost of raising a child from the day your baby is born until the day they turn 18, your family will spend about $311,000. Okay, break that down a little bit further. That's about $17,000 to $18,000 a year. Now, of course, the exact amount will vary depending on how much you earn, where you live, but whether you are a new parent or a seasoned mom of six, it's never too early or too late to start saving and investing for your kids. Join me today as I share 3 tips parents should consider when it comes to saving money for your children and building a nest egg for their future. Hi, parents. I'm Holly Reid Tootle, the creator of the Playbook.com, and you are in the right place if you want to raise money smart kids and give them a solid financial foundation. Make sure you hit that red subscribe button and click that notification bell. We all know raising a child is expensive, but not many of us have actually tracked the actual cost. Now that we are in this state where inflation is making everything so much more expensive, I wanted to share just 3 things you should consider seriously as you make plans to build a nest egg for your kids. Number 1, prioritize your financial future first. Now, I know that sounds selfish, but if you think about it, your kids have time on their side to figure this money thing out. And unfortunately, you can't borrow your way through retirement. So you don't want to be in a position of not having saved enough to cover your day to day needs when it comes time for you to stop working. I say all of that to say this: if your financial house isn't in order, if you don't feel confident that your retirement savings are on track, the very best gift that you could give to your kids would be to focus and prioritize yourself and your financial future so that your kids don't wind up having to take care of you financially in the future. Now that I've gotten that out of the way, my second tip is to make sure that you set saving and investing goals for your kids. Now, what do I mean by that? I want you as the parent to think about, what do you want to help your kids achieve? Maybe you want to help them pay for college. Okay. If that's the case, do you want to pay for all of their college or just a portion of it? Right? Maybe you're thinking, I really want to help my child purchase their first house or buy their first business. Or maybe you want to pass along some family assets that have been in your family from generation to generation for years, right? Having a clear idea of what you want for them will make it much easier to decide what tools, what platforms you should actually invest in to help you reach those goals. So unlike my parents, when they were raising me and my sisters, US savings bonds were like the big thing. But now you got insurance, you got trusts, you got custodial accounts, 529 plans. All of these things are so much more accessible and right at our fingertips. My third tip is, don't keep your plans a secret from your child. Now, if you've been following me for any length of time, you know I'm all about education. I'm all about starting money conversations, making sure money conversations are normalized. And in order for that to happen, we have to break our bad habits and we have to be the change that we want to see. So, as you are setting up accounts, as you are making plans for their future, I want you to invite your kids to be a part of it. Allow them to join the meetings with your financial advisor so that they can see, they can listen, they can observe, they can actually see you modeling the behavior. Now, if you're a parent where you're intimidated by finances, you think you should know all the things, I want you to put that fear, put that ego, whatever it is, aside, because this is the perfect opportunity for you guys to learn about money, learn about the tools, learn about investing right alongside each other. So let's recap. Here are the three things you should seriously consider. First, prioritize your financial future first. Second, I want you to set savings and investing goals for your child so you'll know exactly where you need to be putting the money. And then three, don't keep your saving and investing plans a secret from your child. I want you to include them in the process. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, definitely share it with your friends and family, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you next time.